Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start recording this. Tonight I was going to do a video on inexpensive items that can give you professional audio from your GH5 through the microphone jack instead of going through the expensive XLR converter. I know a lot of people don't have XLR microphones, and you can use professional audio without the XLR connector with what's built into the GH5. When the time code on here rolls around to 34 minutes and 11 seconds, this ADATA card is going to fail. And that's the reason tonight we're talking about the ADATA 256 gigabyte V90 $300 card from Amazon that doesn't work. It has some slow spots, and you can put it in there. This one's been recording for 32 minutes and a half right now, and it's worked fine up to this point. I'm recording at the 400 megabit. This is set to 4K interframe 30p 10-bit 422 on the record settings. So it's using a fair amount of data to do this. At 3411, this card consistently fails, and that's 3411 from a brand new formatted card. Every time it fails, you got to reformat it, run it up to 3411, and watch it fail again. So to save you the boring watching the numbers go by, I ran it before starting the video. For people who want to get into video and don't want to spend $400 for a box that gets you 2 XLR inputs and some very minimal controls, there are some very good options that you can get from Fleabay or from Amazon or even Alibaba. The ones I'm using here, this is a inexpensive Asden 3.5 millimeter stereo mixer with 3 channels, 3 microphones, and we have a Sennheiser Evolution wireless set from eBay, and then also Audio-Technica shotgun microphone. Works very well. These are mounted on a stand. I'll show that to you next time. We're coming up on 34 minutes and 11 seconds, so we're just going to let this thing do its failure here. And any time now, it should fail. There it goes. Recording was canceled due to the limitation. Okay. So, predictably, the ADATA card, the 256 gigabyte that I bought from Amazon, brand new, fails. I'm going to take it out of the machine so you can see the actual card that was being used. There it is. No other cards in the machine. And what this shows is just running 7 seconds or running 30 seconds or 5 minutes of recording is not a good test for a brand new card. You need to run the entire contents of the card. I've made a printout of where this one fails. It quits working at 3411. It'll record a second file that's 6 seconds long, try to do a recovery before it dies. And if I were to put it back in record right now and record another one, this would get another 3411 and then another 6. If you're recording still pictures, which I do quite a bit of, you end up with corrupted pictures as a result. So I'm not too happy with this. Amazon's getting that back tomorrow, and I will look for a better card. If ADATA watches this and says that they've fixed the problem, I'll reevaluate them and see how they work. Meanwhile, watch for upcoming videos on audio, how to get good sounding audio on a budget for less than the price of the XLR converter by itself. And no, I'm not anti-XLR. I have my own XLR equipment. I love it. It's great stuff if you're doing professional audio, but it's expensive. It costs more than the GH5. and there are better solutions. So I'm going to post this to YouTube and watch for follow-ups. Thank you.